Freepods 3 true wireless earbuds, environmental noise cancellation technology. I sound too full. Alright. No, I'm not drinking water. So what we're going to be talking about today is about the Oraimo Freepods 3 to Baba. Let me kind of replicate the picture there. Hi camera. Does it look like that? Alright, so practically we're going to be talking about the features now. The features actually come with this kind of quite a number. We have one pair, two different fits. We have clear voice in call, because actually like it comes with noise cancellation. Like, I mean, whenever someone is calling you from a far end and there is noise around that area, you kind of cancel out the noise. This is unlike the other Oraimo riffs that actually like whenever like I borrowed one of my friends' own the other day, like when I was still receiving call, I could still actually hear the environmental noise. But this is Freepod 3 and it is kind of quite different. So it also has massive 13mm driver and incredible powerful bass. You can actually hear the boom 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 if you listen to music. Like, I mean, when you listen to traps, it's cool. And then you listen to what kind of genres do I listen to again? Or do you listen to Fuji? Alright, incredible powerful bass, up to 8 plus 28 hours playtime. So it has up to like 8 hours or 28 hours playtime, depending on how you use it, or the bass or the sound that it's actually producing out. So also one of the features again is charge 5 minutes, play 40 minutes. You can charge it for 5 minutes and it plays for 40 minutes. So also we have this ergonomic design. The ergonomic design is the style of design that is not really common. I mean, who does a piece like this? Oraimo does. The earbuds are dust resistant practically. So it is also IPX5 water and sweat proof. It's not going to die or throw it inside your sink. Nothing's going to happen to it. I mean, I'm not advising you. Open and connect instantly. You can actually connect it with different device. That's what I do. I connect my iPhone, I connect my laptop, I connect my Samsung phone. Anyone I do, it's good. Do stick to the end of the video because I have one tip that I'm going to be giving you as to this. Alright, so my general experience as to using this, it has actually been very good. It has good bass, sound, and I believe the cancellation is actually very good because whenever I call some of my friends, I see that they do tell me that we don't really hear noise around you, even though there is that kind of mad noise. It's not like they don't hear, but it's kind of at minimal. And also I can actually use it as mic, talk to it, kind of the receiver from the other hand over there can actually hear me well. So these are my general experience as to it. What again? Oh, the charging process also, like whenever I charge it, it kind of have a this kind of I don't know, long lifespan whenever I'm using it. Like I use it, and general experience, I believe it should last long. I'll be very, very diligent these days. I'll be painstaking, but the ground is that it's kind of strong, and well, it doesn't mean that you should let it fall on wheel. So it's kind of strong and it's okay whenever you listen to music. I mean, you're jamming through bars and all of that, everything comes in one. I mean, it's actually very cool. You'd like it. So let me quickly walk you on get it all through the unboxing. Stay with us. All right, the package has just got delivered. Fine, here it is. Whew. It was not like we actually unboxing basically just as we used to say, but the ground is we checked the veracity of what we got. So then we unboxed it, and now we unboxed it at delivery, and now we're actually like checking it out again. Practically, this is two-face, two Baba. Now let's go on. The very first thing we're going to be doing is because when I actually want to open it the first time, I was actually trying on my possibilities. I was trying to drag this, but it was not actually opening. So what I need to do is I got my way around it by just opening these parts. There's like a magnet around it. So just open it and voila, here you go. Very neat and fine. Let's go. You open this, and this is what you first meet. let me put this, it must not fall down. And uncover this. I think this is the space for extra. Oh, I've got this. I think it was not actually fixed directly because it was me that was packaging it. So this are what you basically buy. This is the earpiece, and this is the AirPod. And these are the extra mouth because you can actually just remove it. This is the normal thing, and you can actually fix it back so easily. And it's kind of a little cute seeing this, that is kind of a little different from the normal earpiece. And all you need to do is just to connect with your Bluetooth. You can actually see like searching for a device. So if any device is available, it's going to actually like bring it out. I connected my system, I connect my iPhone, and I connect my Samsung phone also. So anyone you actually want to do, and you can actually charge it here by fixing the two. Yeah. One thing I've actually noticed about this is that I can actually use it for like 3 days straight up without even charging, and it has been working well. And I listen to music a lot. So if you are a music person like me, congratulations. Also, this is the charger that comes with it. You just plug the type A part with your normal charger and the type C cord that comes with it. This is it. You can actually just plug it around, then charge it. Also, there's an instruction book that actually comes with it also. You can actually just dive your way around that. Check it up. I do not really read instruction. I just kind of use it, and with time I know how to use it well. That's what I do. And that's the best thing. That's the best way almost everyone actually do things. So this is practically what we are needing from everything. Okay, let me just cut this back. Cover up, and cover up. So this is it. This is everything that we're talking about. So here it is, the Oraimo Freepod 3, which is nice. So you can actually just, let me try connect. Should I connect you with a device? No, you can actually do that. It's kind of soft. So once it connects, the two of them connect together, and when you leave one inside the box, only one connects. And even when you are far apart, you can actually connect it separately to one phone here, around here, when you go out, and probably you and your friend actually want to share one here. Now all you need to do is just to move far away from where the other device is, so you can actually connect separately, unlike most Apple AirPods. They will not connect if you take them away from another. They do not do that, I suppose. But Oraimo actually gives the opportunity for connecting with two Bluetooth in separate phones or separate devices. Well, all good. This is all we have on this. Oh, why do you have to go? I wait. Oh, you started the video. Oh, right. Oh, that's one thing I actually want to tell you also. Like once you tap it twice, pam pam, then you can actually pause the music, because the music is actually playing on my other phone. So practically, yeah, all you need to do again is whenever you want to, the tip I said I want to actually tell you. Remote the two, you can actually connect this separately and you actually connect this separately on two devices. You can actually just give this to one of your friends and take this. What's basically happens is that whenever you connect it at Bluetooth that are far range from each other, like what I'm saying is that if someone is using a phone here, tell them to take it far and they will be able to connect this. Tell them to take this also far and they'll be able to connect, or you take this far for your own device and you can actually connect it. So two persons can use this at the same time, differently on different devices and different Bluetooths. But the ground is that if it's kind of nearby, you probably might not be able to do that. Very well then, subscribe to IBKintellect, yes, for more of this, and would like you to always come around. guests to check very cool video like this, because we do video editing tutorials, and we do quite a number of tutorials also, and we review gadgets, we review movies too. So thank you for coming around. I shall see you around some of the time. Bye for now.